You're still watching Mid-Cap Mantra right here on ET Now. While large-cap IT companies have delivered strong results, mid-cap IT has been mixed, with many struggling to grow their profits. Zensar Technologies bucked the trend, growing almost about 23% this quarter around on profits. We find out from Mr. Ganesh Natarajan, CEO, what client budgets are looking like, whether consolidation is in line of Patni and iGate is pretty much the way forward, that is consolidation in this space. Okay, let's go across to Mr. Natarajan then. Good morning, Mr. Natarajan. Thanks very much for taking out the time. Now that 2011 client budgets have been finalized, what kind of budgets are you seeing for yourself, and where is most of the growth coming from?
See, I think the budget growth will be very nominal, because you can expect maybe a couple of percentage points growth in IT budgets. But the good news is that I think there's a lot more interest in outsourcing and offshore outsourcing. So I think it will be much better times for people who have a good offshore model and who will really engage with clients and make that happen.
Take us through how the Akebia integration is going on for yourself. Any more acquisitions lined up?
See, we have a very ambitious plan. In fact, we're talking about doubling our revenue in 3 years' time, which really means moving from what we expect to do this year, which is about 1100 crores, and doubling that in the 2013 time frame. Now that obviously means that the Akebia integration is going to be very important to us. We already have started that. It's going very, very well. We are also in the market for smaller acquisitions, maybe in the product lifecycle management space or even in back office transaction processing. So I think we will look at more acquisitions, but certainly organic growth is important, Akebia integration is important, and looking at more and more focus, more and more verticalization. I think that's all part of the agenda. It's a very exciting time for us, and we are very optimistic.
Could you elaborate a bit more on the acquisitions that you're looking at making as of now?
See, we probably look at niche providers, like when I said product lifecycle management, we'd be open to either Europe or the US. So certainly it's not going to be in smaller territories, because we still believe the market opportunity is in the Western markets. So whether it's PLM or it's other areas we're looking at, business intelligence for instance. I mean, if you get a good business intelligence company focused on our key verticals, like manufacturing or retail or insurance, we look at it. So it's typically $20 to $25 million kind of companies, but in the Western markets with good customer traction. So that's what we're looking for.
After the Patni iGate deal, do you see more consolidation in the mid-cap IT space at this point? Would you be open to it?
Well, look at why somebody else big, I don't know. I've not thought about it yet. But I think our growth track has been steady, not spectacular. We'll continue to be that way. And I think there is going to be more consolidation. I think there will be a couple of other mid-tier companies which will go up for sale and which may get acquired. But certainly Zensar is not part of that, either as a buyer or as a seller at this point in time.
Mr. Natarajan, with the expiry of the STPI scheme on March 31st, how would your tax rates and subsequently profitability be impacted? I mean, is this something that you would want the union budget to address? I mean, pushing it probably, but would this be something that you would want?
Well, the only wishes from the union budget is there should be no further negative surprises, so I think that itself will be good. But apart from that, yes, we factored in that there will be an increase in India tax. That's going to happen. So I think there are 3 or 4 pressure points. One is tax. The other is obviously on the customer budgets. The third we've discussed, which is manpower. And I think as any good management, we have to factor all that and still keep our profit margins intact as much as possible. So we're planning to do that, and no change in that as a planning horizon.
Thanks, Mr. Natarajan, for joining us today and giving us that perspective. That's the view from Zensar. Stock doing okay. Deepak, just before we wrap up the show, a couple of stocks. If somebody went long on Jain Irrigation,